Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to get our brains going by practicing some decomposing. Now remember, when we decompose something, we're taking it apart. So I'm going to put a big number up here, and we are going to break it into two parts. Okay, we're going to practice this to help us get more comfortable working with our 8's facts. Okay, so I'm going to put our first problem in our number bond, 48 and 16. Our job is to figure out what goes in our empty circle. Now you can pause the video now and fill this in on your own whiteboard or a notebook or whatever you've got, just to get familiar with it. Now I know that this is going to be an 8th fact, okay? So I'm going to think about 16 plus what would equal 48. I'm also in my head thinking 16, 8th fact. What multiplication fact would get me to 16? I know that that's 2 times 8 equals 16. Now, if I have my 16 here and my 48 up here, I need to figure out what goes in this circle. So there's a couple ways I could do this. I could do 48 minus 16 equals. I could also do 16 plus blank equals 48. Or I could figure out what times 8 equals 48. So I've got blank times 8 equals 48. How many groups of 8? Pause the video and see if you've got any of these answers. Okay, I know that, I'm going to start at the top. I know that 6 times 8 equals 48. Now, I already have 2 of my 8's taken care of over here. So I need to do my other 4. So I've got 4 times 8 equals, what's going to go in here? 32. Now let's see if this 32 fits there. 48 take away 16, is that 32? 8 take away 6, that's 2. 4 take away 1, that's 3. 16 plus blank equals 48. 16 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And 1 10 plus 3 10s equals 4 10s. So that's how I solved this number bond. That's how I decomposed 48. Now, let's try another one. This time, I want you to do a little bit more on your own. I'm going to have you pause the video after I get our parts put in there, and then I'm just going to show you the answer once we're done. But I want you to try and figure it out on your own first. So I've got 56 at the top, and I've got 24 right there. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to pause this video and you're going to see if you can figure this out. Okay, hopefully you figured out that something times 8 equals 24, and that something times 8 equals 56. And then over here we have something times 8 equals something else, but we're not sure what that something is. Oh, sorry, those lights are kind of bright. Okay, I know that 6 times 8 equals 48, and another 8 puts me at 56, so that must be 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. Now, something times 8 equals 24, and I know that 3 times 8 equals 24. Now, if I have 7 times 8 up here, and I already used 3, oh, look at that. I need 4 more, because 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now, all I need to do is figure out what 4 times 8 is. And if you said 32, you are correct. Good job.